Hi, hello. Camera is not focusing, it's focused now. Hi, welcome back if you are coming back, and if you're not, welcome. Thank you for tuning in. I'm hoping this is gonna be a quick video because it's my favorite thing to film. It's shoes, obviously. I've got 5 new pairs of shoes that I bought within the past 1 to 2 months, within the past maybe 6 weeks. My top is falling off. So that is what I'm gonna show you today. I've seen all of them already. I've already unboxed them, but I thought I should just do like a quick unboxing because I don't have content. So that's what I'm gonna show you today. I do have a few shoe videos up on this channel already. I will leave maybe a link somewhere in the description, or I can just put either of them in the eye on either side of my face, so you can just click that and then you can watch those videos. Subscribe if you haven't already. And my name is Roha. I don't think I've introduced myself. To start off, already I've got an orange box. It's a box from Hermes. It said please don't come for me when it comes to pronunciation of brands, because I am not French nor Italian. I just love things. So this is a pair of shoes I've been wanting for a very long time. I initially bought a gold color, which is the brown. It's called gold in the official name. It came, I bought that in a 39.5, I think, or a 39. So when it came, it was a bit too small for me, and I prefer my sandals to be a little bit oversized. So it comes with your receipts in here, bit more paperwork, I think returns and such. It was beautifully wrapped and boxed, but I've already opened it. Obviously I will like put a cutaway of how it arrived. I think I still have videos from that. And it's Orange. It's your basic, not basic, but it's like a luxury girl's basic or staple item to have. I got them in this beautiful taupe greenish brown color, which is officially called a taupe. I got this one in a 40 because, like I said, I prefer my sandals being a little bit oversized, because it just gives an illusion that your feet are smaller than they actually are. So these I love. I didn't like how the gold looked on my skin, but this one's at least you can see that I'm wearing shoes. The gold ones looked like my skin, they were nude on me, which I didn't like because it looked like I was walking barefoot. But at least these ones, there is a contrast between them and my skin, and they are really beautiful. I can't wait to style these on holiday and on vacations and stuff like that, because they look so cute. Even for like an Instagram post as them without anything else, they just look really pretty. I'm really excited I have these. I want them in the white color as well, so fingers crossed I get those. Yeah, so these are the ones that I did not buy on sale, because they never go on sale. Everything else I got like on 15% or 70% off, I think, for some of them. I will include like cutaway of me trying them on, or me fitting them on, so you can see how they look. People do say you need to size up or you need to size down. I think you can get your normal size. My normal size does fit me, it just doesn't fit me the way I want my sandals to fit. So there's no like leeway or space for me to breathe, for my feet to breathe. So that's why I end up getting a size 40, which fit loosely actually. The next box I want to show you is from my other favorite designer brand. It's Amina Muaddi. She makes the most comfortable shoes, surprisingly. I got these ones from Net-a-Porter. I think towards end of summer they were on like 50% or maybe 60% on summer sale. I'm not gonna tell you the prices of these, because a few people are just iffy about you know, knowing prices and stuff like that, but they were on a very good deal. They obviously come with a dust bag just for you to keep the shoes, and this is okay, this is how they look in the box. This is actually the ribbon that tied the shoes on, and this is them. I've worn these out already. I don't know why they look unworn. I have worn them out already to an event in Manchester, I think towards end of August or beginning of September somewhere. So this is how they look. They are their PVC rosy style, and I got these in a size 40 as well. I'll explain why. Because I bought the purple ones in a 39 or a 38 and a half, and those ended up not fitting me at all. I couldn't even get in the shoe. I have unboxed them on here as well, but I ended up returning them or selling them actually, because I got those ones. They were not worn, but I got them from Vestiaire Collective, so I just ended up listing them on Vestiaire Collective and selling those. These are cute. They look really nice. I wore them, like I said, and I got a lot of compliments. The bow detail on the rosy is actually my favorite type of style in all of the Amina Muaddi shoes. The only issue I have with most slingbacks, actually, especially the PVC ones, they don't hold up, and I've seen a lot of TikTok videos talking about how the Amina Muaddi PVC shoes don't hold the back of your foot properly, so when you walk this keeps falling down, which is really for a shoe that is like supposed to be 800 pounds, it well, I got them on sale, so it's not 800 pounds, but for a shoe that is priced at that, for it to keep falling down while you're walking and it requiring you to sort of push it up, it's just not cute. It's not the vibes that I want to be on. So that's the ick, but otherwise I love them. I probably want to have them in every color that they have made. Moving on, this is a simple shoe. I said I was gonna try to buy more wearable everyday shoes, so this is one of those. This is from YSL, and I got this. I went on the Flannels website one day, and every YSL item was 50% off, and I was just like, how? Because YSL is one of those brands that don't go on sale. So I bought this, and I also bought a t-shirt from the same brand, which I'm very excited for. This is also shoes that I wanted for a long time, but I just never brought myself to buying them. They're not that expensive, but I got them for a very good deal, like 50% off, like I said. Come in a dust bag like so, and it's just espadrilles. So they are the YSL espadrilles in the canvas. They come in leather as well, I think, but I don't think the leather ones come with that stitching logo stitched in there. I think they come with like a logo in front here and the logo at the back, but I love these ones because they are very minimal. I do wish they didn't have that, but again, it adds like a cute detail. I wish they just had that, so then it's more minimalist than like in your face, you know what I mean? So yeah, I got these just to wear every day because I don't have comfortable nice shoes. I got these ones in a 38 and a half. I've worn them out as well, and they were very comfortable. They were really easy to wear. They are not painful as narrow as they look. They are not painful. They're really easy to break in. And again, great for travel, great for like holidays and vacations. And every time I travel out of Leeds, this is probably gonna be the shoe I wear. They obviously come with that logo, like I said, and then they also have like a logo at the back of the shoe and another logo on the bottom, and the sole is quite sturdy. I don't think, because I've had an experience with espadrilles where they got wet and this whole thing got wet and then the shoe got ruined. So I don't think I'm gonna wear them in this Leeds weather, just in case that happens again, and these are not cheap. So yeah, these are really cute. I've been wanting them for a long time and I'm glad I have them now. Got them for a good deal as well. Next is shoes from a brand called Kandi. I've seen this brand on Hailey Bieber mostly, and Khloe Kardashian I think, and a few other celebrities. It's really high shoe, stiletto type of shoe, and they make really nice mules. So they had a sale towards end of summer, so I took advantage of that and I got them. The only issue is that it's custom made to order, so on their website it will tell you that they will take about, I don't know, 4 weeks for the item to be dispatched from the day that you have ordered. So when I ordered mine, the 4 weeks went by and I didn't hear from them, and then I reached out to say the item hasn't dispatched, the 4 weeks that you have given me has gone by. So then they came, or they dispatched, and then they took another weeks to come to, or to arrive to me. And it showed on the dispatch notes that it's coming from China, and I actually thought it's a UK based brand, but I guess they are custom made in China. I don't know. But anyway, the owner was really, or whoever runs their social media was really great and communicative, and they said if I want to order anymore I can DM them and then they will give me a great discount. However, I don't know if I got the best quality, and I don't even know if this is the quality that they are making for people like Hailey Bieber and Khloe Kardashian and stuff like that, because I love them. They look really pretty on, and I'm still gonna wear them because I wanted yellow shoes anyway, but they're just not well made. The quality is just not good. I can see all the glue. I can see, like, I don't know if you can see the stitching underneath there. It's just not well made. It's just not worth being worn by celebrities and stuff like that. The quality is what I mean. And then when I get out of the shoe, when I wear them, then this comes off. Like, it's so easy to peel off. I don't want to, but this is not glued down as well as should be, and it's on both sides. This is also coming off. Like, I can literally pull it. I don't want to, because I mean they're still cute shoes to wear, but I don't think I'll purchase anymore if this is the quality that I'm expecting. They look cute on, and I have like maybe 4 or 5 cute outfits already in my head. So yeah, these are cute. So they are from a brand called Kandi, or Kandi, Mr. Kandi, and they are written handmade to order at the bottom, and I got them in a size 39. They do run small, and the website tells you to size up a whole size. I didn't, but I am glad I didn't, because this is quite loose. So if you do size up, then your toes are gonna be like out like that, which is not cute or fun, but you know, they're nice. And the final shoe, again from Amina Muaddi. I'm gonna be collecting this brand's shoes for a very long time. So this is how they come, with a dust bag, and I don't think I've opened this actually. I've seen this, I bought in store actually. I went to Manchester Selfridges and I got these because they were on sale as well. Oh, they're still in their plastics and whatnot. So that's how they look. These are the only ones that are well packaged actually. So plastics and everything. And this is actually how you would originally get them if you were seeing them for the first time without me unboxing them. So it comes protected like that, and it's roses again with the cutie little bow. And these are black, but I will try to show you in low light because there is shimmer they actually have glitter in them. And Amina makes a similar bag, which I would love to have. I would love to have that bag. So these are really cute and gorgeous. I do have a lot of black shoes, and I had vowed to myself that I was no longer gonna be buying black shoes, but every time I see a shoe, it just looks better in black. So I'm just like, you know what, it's probably the last one I'm gonna buy, but you know, it's never the last one. So the PVC ones I got in size 40 because the PVC is obviously made tighter and it runs a bit small, but these ones I got in a 39.5. I could get away with a 39, but they only had a 39.5 in store, so I ended up getting that. Again with the iconic Martini heel, which is really comfortable, the bow in front, and it's just a pointed toe stiletto heel. They're really beautiful. They go with absolutely everything, and yeah, I can't fault them. I just love this style. They do have a different style which I think initially came out. It's called the Begum sandals, but I don't like the crystal buckle that is on there. I prefer the bow detail on these ones. And that's everything. That's all the shoes that I got in recently. I'm probably gonna do like an updated shoe collection, possibly within the next year, because I did get a lot of items in between, like when I did that video and now. However, you can still watch that video. It's still a very great video, and I still have a lot of those items in that video. And you can also see the video of the black shoes. Every black shoe that I own, I've made a separate one because I have that many black shoes. So yeah, that's the end of the video. It's a short one, but thank you so much for tuning in. I enjoyed talking about shoes. I do have another video that I uploaded recently. It's on here. I'll link it here so you can check that out. It's an advent calendar, perfume advent calendar, which I've been enjoying lately. I just enjoy buying advent calendars. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm near my goal for the year that I had set myself for the year. I still have a whole month left, so please subscribe and make it happen. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao.